Hello and welcome to Happy Handicrafts. I thought we'd take a break from our usual handicraft lessons today to do a holiday craft. We're going to paint a Christmas wreath using watercolor paints and the skills that we've learned so far in our Brushwork series. If you're just coming across our videos, we teach useful arts, crafts, and skills to fellow homeschoolers and anyone else who cares to join us. To get you started, I'm going to put a link below to our free download to the biggest list of homeschool handicrafts on the internet. And with that being said, let's get started. You can paint this Christmas wreath as a simple design, as a gift tag, as a card. I mean, it's totally up to you. The size doesn't really matter. I made ours to be displayed in an 8 by 10 inch frame. If you've been following along in our Brushwork series, you're going to be shocked at how easy this is. The materials needed are listed below as well as on our website. I started out by folding and cutting a watercolor paper in half. You could also just fold it and not cut it to end up with a card. Lightly draw a circle in the upper half of your paper. I used my salt container to trace a circle because it was the size that I wanted. Place a pea-sized amount of red and green paint onto your saucer. Now, working around your circle, you're going to place leaves, all going in generally the same direction. Vary them a little and don't place them too close together. We're going to fill in the spaces later. You can let your work dry for a little bit before moving on if you like, but it's really not necessary. Paint in little circles of red berries, leaving a tiny area without paint as the highlight. I painted groups of 1, 2, and 3 berries. Paint as many as you like. Next, with light strokes of the brush, we're going to fill in our wreath with little sprigs of greenery. This is also a chance to add more leaves if you like, to make the wreath as thick as you want. At this point, you can add any wording you like. I'm writing joy because it's simple and meaningful. I'm using a metallic gold acrylic paint for the lettering. As you can see, I started with the middle letter and worked outwards because this helps me get the word centered. Now, if you're a little extra, you can add a bow like we did here. And you can add a little speckling of gold glitter by adding water to the gold metallic paint, filling your brush, and then tapping it against your fingers or another brush over your design. And that completes our Christmas wreath. Merry Christmas, and thank you for being a part of our crafting community.